Let us now solve sum number 2 of exercise 1.2. What is given? Find the HCF and LCM and verify that HCF and 2 LCM is product of two numbers. First we have to understand the meaning of HCF and LCM. What is the meaning? By name, HCF is highest common factor. What does this mean? For 26 and 91, you have to find the greatest number. It is a factor. That means it should be able to divide both of them. So HCF means the biggest number or the greatest number which can divide both of them. That is the meaning of HCF. And LCM. What is the meaning of LCM? It is least common multiple. What is your least common multiple? It is the smallest number which is divisible by both of them. That means you have to find a smallest number which can be divided by 26 and which can be divided by 91 also. And highest common factor is that number which will divide 26 and 91. The biggest or the highest factor which will divide both of them. Because for any two given numbers, one is always a factor. So here you have to find the highest factor. Okay. So this is the meaning. Actually, HCF is always the smallest number or smaller than the smallest number, and LCM is always the biggest number or bigger than the biggest number. Okay. Now we have to solve this by prime factorization method. What we have to do basically, first we will find the prime factors of both of them. And what is the prime factorization of 26 is 2, 13s are 13, 1s are. So how many prime factors are involved? 2 and 13. 91. What are the prime factors? 17, 7, 13s are 13, 1s are. So how many prime factors are involved? 1 and 2. Total how many prime factors are involved? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 prime factors involved. So how I'll write? I'll write 26 and I will give 3 spaces because 3 prime factors are involved. Okay. So first space is for 2. Second space is for 7, but 7 is not there, so I will leave it. And next third space is for 13. If I write in this way now, to solve the sum, it becomes bit easy. Next is now, you have first space is for 2, but in 91 there is no 2, so I will leave it as it is. Next space is for 7 and this is 13. Okay. Now you have to find the HCF. What is the HCF? You have to find that number which is common to both of them. If there are 3 numbers, then it should be common to all 3 of them. So here only 13 is a number which is common to all of them. 2 is only there with 26, it is not a factor of 91, and 7 is a factor of 91, it is not a factor of 26, so you will not take them. 13 belongs to both of them, so you will take this. Okay. Now suppose if the common factor you get here as 13 raised to 1 and here as 13 raised to 2, then what you will do? In that case, you have to take the smaller of the both. So out of 13 raised to 1 and 13 raised to 2, who is the smaller? It is 13 raised to 1. So HCF will be 13. Understood? Suppose if it is 13 raised to 2 and 13 raised to 3. So out of both, smaller is who? 13 raised to 2. Then you will take 13 raised to 2. So this is how you are going to find the HCF. Now for finding the LCM. For LCM, what it is LCM? It is, HCF was only the product of common factors. Only common factors you have to take. But for LCM, you will have to take all the prime factors. And if there are some common factors, then you have to take the bigger power. So in case it is 13 raised to 1 and 13 raised to 2, then you will be taking 13 raised to 2. In HCF, you have to take only the common factors. But in LCM, you have to take all the factors. Whichever factors are common, amongst them, you have to take the bigger power. So here you have 2, you will have to take, multiply by, you will have 2, multiply by, next is 7, multiply by, here 13, both the powers are same, so you will take 13 only. So this answer will become 13 7s are 91, 91 2s are 182. So this answer is 182. Okay. This answer is 182. Now what do you get? The HCF of both the number is 13 and LCM of both the number is 182. Now we will see the formula. What is HCF into LCM? HCF is 13 multiply by LCM is 182. So what is the answer? 13 into 182 will be 2366. And you do multiplication of 26 into 91, answer will be 2366. So what do you see over here? For two numbers, and see, always remember this. This formula is applicable only for two numbers. If you have three numbers, this formula is not applicable. So HCF into LCM is product of two numbers. You get HCF into LCM is 13 into 182, which is 2366. And product of two numbers is also 26 into 91. Your two numbers are 26 and 91, which is 2366. Therefore, HCF into LCM is product of two numbers. Okay, please note down this sum.